This is the second half of Book 1, Section 1 of Caesar's De Bello Gallico. And if you, like my students, are following along in the textbook by Hans Friedrich Mueller, this is lines 12 through the end, through 23. And Caesar will start here, quada causa. So, for which reason the Helvetians also surpass the rest of the Gauls with respect to their virtue or their courage, or they surpass them in courage. Because by almost daily battles with the Germans, they contend. So, because they contend with the Germans in almost daily battles. When either they are prohibiting them, the Germans, from their borders, and here suis is the reflexive, so we know that we're talking about the Helvetians. So when either the Helvetians, they, are keeping them, the Germans, from the Helvetians, their own borders, or they themselves, the Helvetians, are waging war in the borders of them, the Germans. So this is not a reflexive, so it must be referring to the other people. So when they themselves are waging war in the borders of those, of them, the Germans. One part of them, which it is said the Gauls obtain. So this is impersonal, it is said, and quam here is accusative because it's the direct object of obtenere. Gallos is accusative because it is the subject of obtenere. So one part which it is said that the Gauls obtenere, so which is said the Gauls obtain or own, control, capit initium takes its beginning from the Rhodanus River, and then there's ascendant in here, perhaps, and is contained or is bounded by the Garumna River, by the ocean, and by the borders of the Belgae. Also, this part stretches from the areas of the Sequani and the Helvetians to the Rhenus River, to the Rhine. It turns, and again an ascendant in here, so and, maybe et, and it turns or heads to Septentriones, which is north. So it turns to the north. The Belgae, or really the territories of the Belgae, they arise, orientor, from the boundaries of Gaul, from the farthest boundaries, borders of Gaul. And they reach toward the lower part of the Rhine River. They look literally into, right, but just towards maybe, the north and the rising sun, and the land of the rising sun is the east. So they look towards the northeast. Aquitania, and our verb here is pertinet again, Aquitania reaches from the Garumna River to the Pyrenees Mountains and the part of ocean which is near, for odd we'll say near Spain, which is literally at Spain. And it looks inter occasum solus et septentriones. So in it looks literally between the falling of the sun, right, the west, and the north. So in it looks northwest.